Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Does it really work? Does it really give you results, and how much time it will take to give you results? Okay, how many washes you have to apply to get rid of dandruff? Okay, so basically if you have these kind of conditions, like this is the case of dandruff, you can like very high dandruff, and this is also the case of dandruff, and this is also the case of dandruff, and you can also see like this is the condition of very bad, you can like scalp conditions, and these are the psoriasis on your scalp, and these are the basically general conditions in which you can say like there are lots of problems. If you are facing these kind of problems, you will also face like hair fall and hair loss, and you can like scalp related problem. So basically you can see over here there is a, you can like this shampoo. In this shampoo what you will get, like the main ingredient is like 1% ketoconazole. Okay, so basically this ingredient shampoo, when you use any brand, you can choose any brand, there should be like ketoconazole, and the brand should be good. Okay, and brand should be popular, authentic, and the ingredient in the shampoo is like ketoconazole. It will work on these kind of scalp conditions. Okay, so basically yes, it contain like 1% ketoconazole, so you can use this shampoo and it will control your these kind of dandruff related problems. And if we talk about like how much time you have to use this shampoo to give you results, so basically after using this shampoo, after 2 or 3 washes, you will get lots of benefits, we can say like lots of results. When you use this shampoo for 1 or 2 or 3 times, you will see like your dandruff is you can like treating, and you are getting rid of these kind of conditions. Okay, and after 4 wash you will see lots of change. Okay, like we can say after 12, you can like after 2 weeks you will see your dandruff will almost gone. Okay, and after 1 or 2 weeks you will see there are, you can like you will you can say like you can get lots of results. Okay, so basically the direction of use is like you just need to simply use this shampoo generally as you use general shampoos. You can apply this shampoo and you can wash this shampoo. When you apply this shampoo on your wheat, you can like on your wet hairs, you have to you can like remain, you have to leave the shampoo at least for 2 or 3 minutes, and after that you can wash the shampoo. Okay, so these are the conditions, you can use it and you can get the benefits of this shampoo. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.